Welcome back to another video. Today we have Ryobi and Makita tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help us out. So yeah, I'm running these videos with just two brand specific. So unfortunately there's not a whole lot of deals throughout the Home Depots and stuff like that. So I'm just going to minimize it to these two brands. And I will have DeWalt coming up. If you guys haven't watched my Milwaukee, make sure you guys watch it. I'll see if I can link it up above for you guys. So starting here, we got the new tools from Ryobi. There's a new impact driver, new drill driver. That one seems to be one of the better ones or the best ones that they have. Claiming to beat the previous model, which is that. Well, not that. That's the newer model, 2,200 as in power, so you guys see there, inch pounds, or yeah, it's just that they're claiming to be like the most powerful from basically from Ryobi. You got the buy one get one free $279 kit here, that one at the bottom, and you get a free battery. These are on clearance for $139. These are the Makita subcompacts. And that's the one of the better impact drivers that Makita has, 129. And it does have like a quick shift mode, 3-speed impact driver. It's one of the better ones that they have. Actually, I want to get that for the channel. But I'm just don't know if I want to get the whole deal, the whole kit, because that impact driver is on this deal, the $399. With the hammer drill, and you get the free batteries, and you get those bits on those $24 bits on the top there, and those batteries on the left. So I'm curious whether to get it or not to get it with the kit. You got this vacuum on clearance or on sale for $56 on this store. You got $229. You buy the impact driver, drill driver, subcompact, and you get a free circular saw, battery, or a radio or speaker. So they're still running this deal. These deals are going to go away. Just make sure you guys get them. They still have this vacuum here. Make sure you guys get them by the end of the month, because some of these deals are going to go away. And it's just better to pick them up. They got the lawnmowers here, $499. This is top of the line Ryobi. This is 40 volts. Then they got the next one down, $399. It is Ryobi, 40 volt too. But you guys see the tiers. Pretty much the top tier is the one on the right. And then we got the Makita, $499. It is a dual battery. So you get a total of 4 batteries for this kit, $499, which is a good deal if you're already on the Makita platform. Then you got the Toro 60 volts, so $499. Toro's a big. They pretty much expanded their line, so $139 on clearance. This is the 530 CFM blower for $139, tool only. And then they got the clearance power equipment here. Great deals. It says $79 for the 13-inch string trimmer. And then they got a nickel attachment there. It's just an attachment, $51. It's not the power head. Then I found this. This is like a framing nailer on clearance. I couldn't figure out the price on this. And I couldn't get the scanner to work. Then you got this battery. Not the battery. The impact driver tool only clearance for $79. Maybe because it's getting replaced by the newer one. And you got the Bluetooth speaker there for $79. So you guys see there. Guys, just a short video for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one.